Located in a quiet country setting just outside of Montello is this home on 5 acres. Outside is beautifully landscaped, with an in-ground pool ready for hot summer days. Step inside to the inviting great room with vaulted ceilings and stone fireplace. The bright dining room and kitchen features views overlooking the property and has custom cabinets with stainless steel appliances. Upstairs is the primary bedroom with attached bath and large walk-in closet. The main level has 2 additional bedrooms, an office, full bath, and laundry room. Downstairs, you'll find an unfinished walkout basement ready for your vision. There are 2 outbuildings, a 40 by 46 pole shed with 3 bays, and another garage building with heated workshop and storage area. Contact us today and come check out everything this property has to offer.